February 5th, 2014. There's little Shiloh cat. She's on the floor right next to me. I'm in my easy chair. How about that? Hi Shiloh, say hello to everyone on YouTube. Well, trying to watch some movie right there, and reception isn't good today because it's really windy outside. See the trees blowing pretty good out there. See them ferns right there blowing real good. Makes the TV right there act up. It keeps switching to no signal. Yeah, I have no idea what this movie is, but it looks interesting. Whatever that is, it's on Antenna TV. I have to check their schedule online today to see what movie that is, because the box is not updating because the signal keeps interrupting. Damn, it looks interesting, whatever it is. Stay there, it keeps losing signal. Yeah. How about that? Whatever this is, it's probably online anyway, so we'll have to watch it there. Anyway, it's cold outside today. It's supposed to get really, really cold in the next day or two. They got another cold front in the Texas Panhandle, and it's supposed to be moving this way. Right now it's 8 degrees in the Panhandle. I don't remember what the temp is right here right now, but it's not 8 degrees, but it is cold.
What?
It's probably around 40 something.
Drag who away?
The girl? One of the girls Ralph brought with him?
Give me a break.
I knew there was something weird about this place. The old man is probably a sex fiend.
Rosemary? All right. Tell me what happened, Judy.
I got up to get a glass of water with punch.
Wait. You wanted water and punch?
No, I wanted water with Mr. Punch.
Come on, Judy. Get to the point, Judy. Come on.
I saw a girl get dragged off into a room by an elf.
An elf?
Yes, and then...
Judy, what have I told you about your stories?
But this is...
You'll wind up paying more child support. My money.
That guy's not very nice to his daughter, is he?
Look, I know you don't enjoy spending your summers with me. I don't like it either. But I'm sick of you lying all the time, okay? I don't want to hear it. No more fairies. Elves, princesses.
See, that's how I have to watch TV on a rainy day or a windy day. Yeah.
Now get out of here. Go to bed. Out.
But Daddy...
Better do what he says, short stuff. He may not be able to give you a swat, but I can.
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, that lady's not nice.
Woody, Mel, and Zero on Antenna TV Saturday, February 8th. Antenna TV is
Dynamite.
So make your Saturday and revisit.
Classic, my man. A classic. That's right.
Join the Evans family for an anniversary celebration on Antenna TV.
It is a wonderful idea.
Good Times turns 40. Relive Good Times with the Good Times Anniversary Marathon, February 8th on Antenna TV.
That's what I'll be watching then on Saturday, February 8th. Yeah. What's Shiloh doing? Hey, Shiloh. Hey. You should see how big your face looks right now on the camera. Wow. That's it for now on Let's See It Please.